Today we will be testing the RSI multi-length indicator. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for TradingView. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the RSI multi-length indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 97 different strategies, with 28 of them being winners. The best one so far we're able to achieve an 84% win rate. We've also tested a total of 917 indicators, with 382 of them being winners. The best ones so far we're able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 107 of the winning indicators. 39 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best two, a 76% win rate. Now, if you are interested in a full list of these indicators and strategies along with our win rates, we've compiled all that information into spreadsheets, which you will get when you become a patron of the channel. Keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing the RSI multi-length indicator, and you can see it down here on the bottom of the screen. And so this is a modified version of the RSI, and basically what it does is it reads multi time frames, or multi links, I guess I should say, not time frames, multiple links of the RSI, and displays them kind of all together. And so if you go into the settings here, I won't go into it too much, but basically what we have is multiple links that are displayed, and you're able to adjust the multiple different links between kind of the minimum and the maximum link here. If you're interested in more information on exactly how the indicator works, then you can just go ahead and jump to the indicators page. You can find a link to the indicator down below. Again, we won't go into it too much because we don't have a lot of time in these videos, but basically what we're looking for is when we get these kind of spikes here, these red spikes and green spikes, you can always go in and turn these up if you wish. So say put them on 80 from the 30, makes them just a tad bit easier to see. See, not 50, 80, that's what we're looking for there. So now you can see these spikes a little bit more clear. And so traditionally what the RSI does is you would look for it to display an overbought or oversold, and look for a reversal in that general area, or in the near future. But what I noticed with this indicator is that it does kind of two things pretty decent. So it kind of displays when there's going to be a reversal and when there is going to be a continuation. And so typically when you get this little spike like this right here, that is pretty indicative of just a standard reversal, a small reversal that's going to take place. When you get these big spikes like this, it tends to be a continuation of trend in that particular direction. We've addressed this before, where the RSI can be used for a reversal indicator, or to designate when there is a lot of momentum or strength in the market in a particular direction. And so it seemed like this indicator kind of amplifies that. And so again, you see these instances where we get these small little spikes, and then shortly after we get a reversal in the price action. See a little spike here to the downside, we get a reversal. A little spike here to the upside, or the green side, I guess I should say, and you get a reversal right here. But you see these big spikes right here that spike right through the RSI. You can see how the price is so strong, it just continues to move in a particular direction. You can see that right here. We get a spike right through and a move. This is kind of some wonky price action, but you can see a big spike here and a continuation to the downside. Big spike, continuation to the downside. See a little spike here and it's a reversal. Little spike here, it's a reversal, and so on. And it's not perfect, but just what I noticed. And so I think what we're going to do is test this and look for these big long spikes through the indicator and look for the continuation. So if it's a green spike, it's going to be a continuation or a signal to go long. If it's a red spike, it's going to be a continuation to the downside or a short. And so let's go ahead and get on with the testing so things don't get too long here. We'll see what we can get out of this. Interesting to note here, again, get a little spike to the downside and a reversal right back to the upside there. So just again, kind of showing the idea in real time here. Now you can see here we get this massive bulge that builds up right here, and our the kind of signal or the kind of definite to go short is when it spikes out the bottom side here. On the reverse side, it'll be a spike out the top side there. So we get a spike to the downside there. That would have been a short trade there, and it does look like it is enough to get us to our take profit. What are we at? 90 pips take profit. Yep, got us to our take profit on that one. So let's go ahead and continue on. All right, again, you can see that we get this big nasty bulge right here. It started to form a little one. You could have probably started looking for this as a small reversal here, but not enough to actually take that reversal. And then you can see that it just continued to build off this and make this huge green bulge to the upside here. Would have probably actually been in, let's see, the break of the upside. Let's see, I think it's 70 overbought. Yeah. And so right here, let's see, we would have been at 72. So we would have been above that upper band there. Let's go ahead and play it forward. And it looks like that is also enough to get us to our take profit. So, all right, so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way this doesn't get too much longer. And we'll pick this up when we're at the end of the testing. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy. Was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Get the scroll back. All right, so we have the 4 trades within the 1 year's time here, and out of those 4 trades we get 3 winning trades, and so that is going to put us above that 60% criteria that we looking for. And so I think this indicator is very interesting. Again, I think there is some validity to using this in a few different ways, and I do think that it does a pretty good job of identifying when we get a spike in strength in the market and when we get weak little reversal spikes in the market as well. And so I think this is a pretty cool indicator. Definitely going to be playing around with this more. It's going to go on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.